National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tomball, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tomball, Pinehurst, Magnolia, and Stagecoach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.